key link to his point is the mass base, you know, quantity. इतना quantity हो गया है कि एक professor, एक may have more scholars than he can handle legitimately. उसको टीचिंग लोड भी है, एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव लोड भी है, एमडीपी लोड भी है,
यूनिवर्सिटी में 8 मैक्सिमम 8
नहीं हमने और करने
वो सडनली
ICSR sir we have restricted to 3.
yes 8 also is very high.
नहीं let me just I think there are so many things
yes but
anyway let me just give out seen the tribal village she is not interested बहुत सारी बातें हैं हमारे पास उनकी बातें करने से बहुत सारी स्टोरीज आपके पास होंगी बहुत सारी स्टोरीज हमारे पास एंड देयर आर लॉट ऑफ फिलॉसफी कि कैसे पूरा एजुकेशन सिस्टम आप इम्प्रूव करेंगे देयर विल लॉट ऑफ एजुकेशन कहाँ से शुरू करेंगे सो नहीं वहीं से करनी पड़ेगी पर हमारे ख्याल से आईपीई के इस वाले काम में हम उसको थोड़ा अवॉइड करते हैं उसको तो करना पड़ेगा तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल एग्जामिनेशन सिस्टम आई थिंक देयर वॉज वन सिचुएशन व्हेन आई वाज प्रोफेसर ऑफ मैनेजमेंट इन इंदौर एन अमेरिकन केम एंड ही सेड कि हिंदुस्तान में तो कोई भी चीज़ लागू करो सब बेकार हो जाती है तो मैंने कहा कि इवन टिल डेट देयर इज नॉट वन सिंगल पर्सन who is not a student of Birju Maharaj and has claimed to be a student of Birju Maharaj. But when you have a system where all distrust is put everywhere, so thousands of things. But let me come back now. Jayashri is also there, Professor Murthy is there, so let us concentrate on IE part. Yes, good. I think that Department of Commerce had Narayan Murthy and Professor Mishra also gets quite a few people, not Narayan Murthy exactly, but so many other people. But he never forgets to have only business people, but to have real philosophers, scholars and others. That is his strength. He, perforce, I am guessing, isn't it, diversified the activities of the institute, not of his own sweet will. The changes that took place in the economy, that took place in the status of public sector enterprises, the kind of atmosphere that got created. But management, education got a boost, so that may be certain reasons, maybe survival or something. So it has been well diversified. I think now there is a scope for consolidation, but at that point of time, but he did not want to lose the conscience. So he continued with ICSSR. Perhaps even today, even if he doesn't receive ICSR money, he can survive. But his conscience says that he should remain associated. So does social projects, lot of social projects, management projects, isn't it? Economy projects. So there is a variety. I think there may be some time where you find out, okay, this is my area, and choose not to do certain things. But that time is yet away, not right now. That will take quite a bit time when one makes a choice, okay, this is what I am going to do and this is what I am not going to do. At this stage, perhaps they are willing to do anything that can come to IAP or that comes to IAP. And the second, I think there is a renewal of faculty also. You were asking how many professors and professors की meeting कर लीजिए तो today there may be 2 or 3 professors. There may not be very many. नहीं renew हो रहा है.
Totally 42 faculty members sir.
नहीं professors.
Regular professors.
नहीं बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं है. है ना? Then management institute में आपको मालूम है part time भी होते हैं, बाहर की faculty भी आती है, resource persons भी हैं. There are so many other things. So they have quite a bit diversified to that side, but they have not lost the sight of the bigger challenges that the society faces. Perhaps I would have loved, if the Center for Public Enterprises and so-called disinvestment of DIPAM is number 1 placed, because that is what your institute is. So you continue, with that kind of focus, okay, this is what I should be doing. But they went to new areas. Suddenly there is a lot of talk on corporate governance, there is a lot of on CSR, isn't it? Not very many. So these are all new centers, but he doesn't want to lose, catching up with the Joneses. So whatever the best is there, whatever the latest is there, that is how he is trying to remain visible. And IP's visibility is not that low. Perhaps right in the beginning they started ICSR Institute, they recognize their contribution. Of course, their focus is not as MITS focus or ISAC focus, which is more on social, and MITS with the kind of Subramaniam and poverty and disparity and human development, isn't it? ISAC more on rural development, transformation, and all those. So each institution has their a definite focus. This one had in public enterprises. Now, for some reason, they had to make diversification. So this institute is there. I think visibility has improved. Maybe they do not know what exactly you are going to do. But I think if you have got ONGC chair, if you have got even the other chair,
LIC.
your, and you, as you suggest, perhaps tomorrow the Coal India and something, and they will all be coming not with the motive of the private sector, though private sectors are also getting enlightened. So I think this is a good sign, and you should continue with this. On publication side, of course, I mean, very good suggestion that this Shodh Ganga and SSRN, I have not published an SSRN, maybe because that is electronic. I am still outmoded, isn't it? So I don't understand how do I enter, isn't it? And whether I didn't find them as deep as I would have loved them to be. So sometimes I do see that there is something, there are a couple of points which are of good use and something I do read, but I have not ever put. Only once somebody wrote to me in academic.edu that these are the 60 papers I find under your name. Please verify which one belongs to you. So 54 I put. And then now, once a while, in a month or two, I find something written and typed and uploaded. People say, why are you uploading in, what you call that word? I say, let people use, I don't mind. And that is how my teacher taught me. So these two things will help you. That is right. The journal themselves, whether a professor is writing or a scholar is writing, is not important. The contribution is important. And that is one thing, I may have having a lot of reservations on EPW. But EPW is not publishing only professors' articles. If you are a research scholar, if you have gone into deep, if you have gone into esoteric areas, if you have gone into tribal or Andaman or something odd, isn't it? Something which people are not otherwise picking up, they are willing to publish. So what is the contribution? And I think you say that there is a peer review. You must be taking good care. My experience of that editing part is not very good. Most of it, trash came to me, but still I don't run down either professors or scholars or the whole generation, because if we are making a progress, the world is making progress, there is a theory that it is degenerating, then it is because of our young blood, young scholars, whatever small number they may be having. My own feeling is that the best of today is better than the best of yesterday. That was me. The worst of today may be the worse than the worst of yesterday. That I agree. So range might have widened, but average must be slightly, improving, maybe not that high. The peak is definitely
Inequality is
going.
increasing.
Huh?
Like
Inequality, like everywhere, like everywhere.
ब्लाइंड रिव्यू क्यों नहीं कराते हैं
Hmm?
There are blind.
कराते हैं.
आप peer review कराते हैं
Peer review is done. We class.
so convert peer review into blind review
Blind review.
It's blind review.
it is blind
Blind?
no but within the faculty
Outside.
Outside.
Outside. No, peer he didn't mean that faculty. Peer he didn't mean. They erase the names, isn't it, sent to somebody.
Peer review
So,
is outside.
I
वैसे हमारे यहाँ तो peer review कहते हैं कि within the existing
I received a paper for a journal, isn't it, of which I am the editor-in-chief. I found it very interesting, very good. I thought I should send it to Aditya Bhattacharya, the Delhi School of Economics head. And I sent it to him. He went through it and he said, it is copy of these two papers. उसने पूरा मुझे report किया. I didn't find only 20% papers, perhaps, isn't it? But still, I do not hold something very against them.
I think the standard thing, 2,000 rupees per.
Now-
publication charge.
Now, let us come to doctoral research. It will be good if we could have a Nash or we could have Raj Shetty. I am not one of them. I don't know whether my colleagues are belong to that category. Raj Shetty, who was offered professorship at the age of 26, isn't it? So, I mean, all we talk of general researches, the way they are carried out, if they even touches the way IGIDR does, or some of the good institutions, rather than tightening, as you say that universities are tightening like that. With your Pullen Nair, only 3 essays in one, combined, and that is awarded, isn't it? I think Stanford. So good work, rather than follow certain written procedures prescribed in so-called research methodology book. I also teach once a while. But what I say that even if I teach it, a good surgeon is not because of what I have taught in the class. It is because of the diversion you make. It is because of the divergence you make. And the best scholars whom we remember, they created their own methodology. They never followed the methodology once suggested or prescribed by ICSSR कि आपका सैंपल यूनिट कितने नंबर का था, कितना बड़ा क्वेश्चनर था, क्या क्या क्वेश्चंस आपने पूछे थे, which Rameshwar Rai regretted later on. Okay, what is this? I am so sorry because I created it. So this fellowship program, where you can have your own imprint, where you can have a lot of freedom to do their work, to choose their topic, and rather than so many people guiding from outside, this should should be put. And research scholars, generally speaking, जैसे ठीक है, जैसे आपने कहा determination, भाई उन्होंने कहा determination लिख दो तो हमने लिख दिया, determinants होता क्या है हमें पता नहीं. So I think that will be a good part. We should strengthen it. It doesn't cost much. It doesn't cost much. Fellowship program, in any case, you are offering certain fellowships. Maybe you have to raise the what you call per person, per scholar amount little bit, but you are already doing it. It is cross-subsidizing. They are not in such a good place like IIT University that they have got corpus and they can fund. Once upon a time in IIPA, we had this fund and we were doing some internal projects. But over time, they have been telling us that you earn your own money, you earn your own money. So we shifted and we destroyed institute, and now we are focusing more on training. So that is low-hanging fruit. That is low-hanging fruit, isn't it? Project, you don't know whether it is coming or not coming. And of my choice, no ministry will ever fund. If I want to do something, suppose studying the transformation curve of HDI, which ministry is going to fund it? Hardly any person will pick up, but that is the paper which will bring me the name. It is not which PDS diversion of kerosene was 13% or 13.7% or 13.2%. वो NCIR ने कहा 13%, चौबे जी ने कहा 15%. I did in the northeast, they did in the south. And people keep on quoting. So this now comes to project research. Can we stop? We cannot stop. I mean, that is my understanding. Otherwise, you get disconnected altogether. So from the world, you interact with people, you get to know, you get the data, howsoever defective it is. Because if you ask a question, are you a thief? I am not going to tell that I am a thief. You have to discover it. So that is what Samuelson was talking of revealed preference. You have to follow me, isn't it? How I am doing, then you have to make certain assumptions. But unfortunately, that is the against, that is why people are going for qualitative research rather than quantitative research based on questionnaire. Many people are going triangulation and all that. So many things are coming in because of that weaknesses. Still, it does not mean that we should debunk the instrument altogether because it is weak, isn't it? We have still to use it. So that we must do. Consultancy management institute can hardly avoid, and consultancy is something which gives you some money, which gives you fund. Research projects normally, I mean now the government of India is not asking money back, but this is how, I mean you have to, money is given to you, you spend 15% overhead, make the total, whatever is left you are supposed to be refunding. Now they are not asking to be refunded back. In the consultancy you say this is the money, bid, you get the money, isn't it? Thereafter nothing, I mean, has to be sort of submitted, it is only the final report is accepted. Whether those, I mean, researches are being used at all, if it is the government constituted committee, Rungta or Chelaiya or Rangarajan, it has some chance of being used, some chance of being read. But if it is joint secretary, director of a ministry, isn't it, writing out the terms of references, sending it to you and giving the money, there is hardly any chance it being read. I mean, it stops somewhere at the joint secretary at the final stage, isn't it? And then, okay, everything is fine, the money should be given. Now comes to collaboration. Collaboration, I think IP is doing collaboration in many other areas, for example, holding conferences. They are at least having an academic partner, isn't it? If not a partner which is funding, in some cases they are funding. For example, last conference they had was with IASI. Before that they had one conference with IIPA which didn't give even one single paisa, isn't it? Except that, yes, Jashri and Jahangir had been coming to IIPA and we have been giving free consultancy. So we have our own limitations, but they recognize even wherever there is a need, even who are the people. For example, on urbanization, they consulted Amitabh Kundu for free, isn't it? I guess for free, whereas I mean these days, isn't it? So it is only scholars, isn't it, who still give free consultancy. So I think this collaboration part may earn money or may not earn. We tried here, if you remember, and finally it is IP which had to do it. There was a TIFAC project, I mean somehow I got associated. They had a lot of meetings and thereafter they chose a core group. And then they started searching institutions. Institution of their choices somehow, I mean, couldn't come to their expectation. And finally it came here, though we wanted ASCII, IP and SES, all three to collaborate. But they had their own priorities or peculiarities or certain reservations or within institutions some problems. It's not, I mean, director has agreed, so all of us agree that it's not the case. So sometimes that also happens. But wherever, I mean, it was possible, as individual basis you collaborated. The one good suggestion which has come is the faculty meeting for research. I think, I don't know how many faculty members are exactly into research, because some of them may be just in teaching. So that
We have around 17 to 20 faculty who are into research.
Percentage wise?
Percentage wise, it should be some 28 to 30%. Either it would be research project.
no, that is why I'm guessing, because I have some appreciation of how IP is working. So I am also keeping those factors into account, because all of them are not, I mean, coming research or everything which IP would like to do. Some of them are part-time, some of them may be just interested in one particular module and teaching. This is my core area and I will finish with it, and this is the module I am going to do. So whatever. Anyway, so that is a good idea, isn't it? Once a while swapping of ideas, isn't it? Not necessarily always with an agenda, sometimes even without agenda. Leave some space just for sitting. Talk of societal concerns, research, and maybe some good idea comes. If we just remain tied with one single focus, isn't it? One particular topic and something, isn't it? There may be so many I am not interested in. But you take one topic particularly, suppose that was minority finance corporation. Now everybody may not be interested in. ठीक है यार करते रहते हैं पता नहीं सरकार क्या चाहती है. So just I mean even that maybe some idea comes that this is the kind of research or this is the agency, as you say that you have encouraged that EOIs from ministries, government departments and others. But this consultancy is for corporate. I don't know, I mean, how strong you are in that corporate firms, whether you...
We respond, there have been, while some projects we get the bidding, it's just based on the lowest bid and so we have some projects that way. In such things, we also have a collaborative partner. For example, now we've sent a bid to the KSIBC and FAPSI is IP's partner. We've entered into an internal MOU, there's a consortium agreement done and
So unless there is a huge project, multi-crore, many institutions are not going to come together, isn't it, to work for? Because they may be having their own egos, they may be having their own issues, isn't it? They may be having their own interest. For example, there is little likelihood that SK and IP will come together. When they may sit like this, but on a long-term basis coming together, if it is multi-crore, then each of them will develop an interest. And okay, I mean, some of the faculty members from there and some of the faculty members. Now, whether they should approach or we should approach. What we have seen on black money, for example, 3 institutions were approached. Isn't it? NCIR, NIFM and NIPFP. Now, they are very niche. Isn't it? They are very niche. NCIR not exactly in finance, but having otherwise what you call repo with the government, though it is a private organization. NIFM, the F itself and the finance ministry supporting, maybe now supporting not that high. NIPF is the very nomenclature. So there is very little chance that the government on its own is approaching institutions. And I think